I'm going to show you how smart people are making more than $5,000 in a month using Pinterest in just 6 steps. Now, the best part about what I'm going to be sharing with you here now is that you don't need any followers, you don't need to have any website, you don't even need to create any content, show your face, or even use your voice. All you need to do is just to make sure to watch this video to the end and take action on the things that you're going to learn on this video. To begin, this is Pinterest, and the people you're seeing posting all these things are doing exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you on this video. For example, if you check this one, click on it, that's saying things about home decoration and chairs and stuff like that. If you click here, it's going to take you to another place. Now this is Amazon, so this link that is there is on Amazon, and if you need any of this, you can buy using this link. So to do exactly what these people are doing, all you have to do is just to create a Pinterest account. But before you create a Pinterest account, you must have chosen a niche. Now, it is recommended that you use niches like finance, health and wellness, travels, and self-development. This is because these are the niches that do well on Pinterest. Now, there are other niches also that are doing well, like home decoration niche or anything at all, provided you have interest in the thing you want to do and you cannot, you don't really get bored doing them, so that you don't give up on your account if things are not really going the way you initially need to go. So let's get started. Now, if you're using ChatGPT, you can ask it to give you 10 names for a Pinterest account on any niche you have picked. Now, for this video, we are picking the self-development niche, and if you already have a name in mind, you may not really have to use ChatGPT. So once you have done that, you ask it to generate, and it has generated a lot of names here. We're going to pick one, so I'm going to pick this Radiant Right and use it for my Pinterest account. So the next step now is to create an account. So to do that, you go to pinterest.com, you click here where it says sign up. Now what you're going to do now is to input the necessary information that it has asked you to input here. You're going to click next, you choose your gender and click next. You're going to pick what you're interested in on this page. So here you have created your account. Now the next thing you have to do is just to go where it says account, and you're going to convert it to business. This is very important because you're going to be using it for business. So you click where it says convert to business. You can say content creator and you click next. And you're going to put in your business name and all those stuff. So because we saw Radiant Rise, we can write Radiant right here. For here, you can leave it. We're going to include the website we're going to be using later. So you can leave it blank, and then you click next. Add your business goals here. You can say anyone depending on what your niche is when it comes to what your brand focuses on. Then you click done. You can see that you need to have a profile picture and a banner here. To fill out the spaces, you have to use Canva to create these things, and we're going to use Canva now. So this is Canva, and we have gotten to the logo. The logo is opened. All we have to do is just to create anything as simple as we can using the name of our Pinterest account so that it depicts what we want to create. So because our Pinterest account is Radiant Rise, we can use something like, you can just change it. So once you're done, you click where it says share, click download. It's a PNG, so you download it. You go back to Pinterest, click here where it says edit profile, you click here where it says change. You can also tell a story about yourself. Anyhow you want to edit your profile, you edit it that way. So you click save. For the banner, you can decide to create yours using Canva as well, and then you upload it. But for this example, I just went to pixels.com, got a beautiful picture and uploaded it as my banner, my account on Pinterest. Now, before you choose a product, it is wise for you to check the Pinterest trend so that you know the type of products that are trending that you can actually put on your website, so that people that comes to view your videos and your content can be interested because they are trending products. This is trends.pinterest.com. This is a place where you can find things that are trending. Now it is important for you to make sure you have chosen your location, to make sure that whatever you're going to be looking for is something that is trending in your location. So as you can see here, New Year nails are trending, and a lot of other things that are also trending, things like New Year Eve outfits. They are still trending, though it will be going down any moment. There are a lot of things, New Year nail designs. You just have to make sure you go through all of this to make sure you find something in your niche that is actually trending. So if you've gotten the things in your niche that are actually trending, then you know how to go about getting things that you're going to be using to make money on this website. For step 2, you need to go to any affiliate site where you can get affiliate products you can actually promote on your account and make money once people buy from you. Now you can go to amazon.com, there is impact.com, there is Digistore24 where you can actually get affiliate products that you can sell to people and then make money. But you can't just sell anything. There is a strategy which I'm going to also share with you where you can sell a couple of things on your channel. Like you can sell up to like 10 to 15 products on your channel with one link, and we're going to be using a landing page for this, which will serve as your website. Everything we're going to be using for this strategy is completely for free. So to do that, you're going to go to Google and go to this website called Direct Me. Now there are other landing pages that you can actually use, but I like this particular one because it is easy and simple to use. This is Direct Me. It says direct.me, and you see where it says create free page. You click here where it says create free page. So here you input your email address, put in your name and your password. Now we're going to choose a username which is also going to be the same name you're using in your Pinterest account, which is Radiant Rise. This is because when people come from Pinterest to this landing page, they will not be confused seeing different names or different emails. So everything should tally. That is why it gives them the assurance that you are still the same person that is bringing this to them. So you have to make sure to use the same email address and the same name that you're bearing on Pinterest. Click the ones you want. You can add your socials if you want, or you can skip this. Now you add your profile picture. It should be the same with what you have. Then you click continue. So this is basically how you're going to do everything. Now before I continue, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on anyone. I really appreciate you. You see, your page is all set. Now the next thing to do is to add the link you've gotten from your affiliate sites, anywhere, whether Amazon or anywhere you got any link from. And to do that, you click here where it says add new. You're going to add the URL of whatever you got. Assuming this is our affiliate link, I add this and click done. So if you have another link, you click here again where it says add new. You click here where it says link in URL. You just keep adding as many links as you have, and once you are done with doing that, click here where it says share, and then you copy your link here. Now we have our landing page, which is going to serve as our website. We're going to include this on our Pinterest account. I'm also going to show you how to do that. But before then, we need to get the content we're going to be posting on this video, and we're going to be using TikTok for that. This is just using already existing videos on TikTok to post on Pinterest, but you just don't have to copy people's video and paste without crediting them. So we'll have to also credit them. I'm going to show you how to do everything. So this is TikTok. You just click for personal development here. Now, a lot of videos on self-development are here on TikTok. All you have to do is just look for the ones that have gone viral, the one with the highest number of views and of course engagement. Now, once you have seen that one, let's take for instance this one that says start choosing yourself. You click on it. You can see this one has over 300 likes and 635 comments and 61 points saved. So it's generated a lot of engagement. So what you need to do is just copy this link, then you go to this website called sestick.io. It's going to help us remove the watermark. Paste the link you have copied here. Downloaded the video without watermark. So now we have our video from TikTok and I have downloaded it without watermark. So the next thing is going to head back to Pinterest and upload this video, including the link to our landing page, so that everybody that sees this video will probably take action by clicking the link on our Pinterest account. To come here where it says create pin, we're going to drag the video we have downloaded. We're going to add something like, you add the title. You can add anything as your description here, but make sure to edit the person that created this video as we saw on TikTok. You add the link here, choose any board, you can create one if you want, then you add your tags. So once you're done, you click publish. So these are the steps you need to take, and these steps are done completely free of charge. You don't need to pay for anything. Now for effective results, it is important for you to look at other accounts on Pinterest that are doing similar things to things you have in mind to do, so that you know how to set up everything and how to go about it. And of course, to see results as fast as you can, you need to make your post at least 2 to 3 times in a day, or even more than in a day. I mean, it's not that difficult. All you have to do is just to go to TikTok, get videos of what people have done on your niche, and then you remove the watermark and post it on your account. Make sure to credit whoever you got their videos from TikTok. So this is a very effective way to make money. It's very brilliant. You have to be strategic and make sure you put everything that I have mentioned in this video, and of course give yourself some time to be able to see results. Now, if you are looking for AI side hustles you can start this year and make some extra money, you might want to check out this video. And of course, if you're looking for how you can make money on Facebook without being monetized, you might also want to check out this video. Please don't fail to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and so that you don't miss out on the videos that I'm going to make in the future. I really appreciate you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.